Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for not only a functional but aesthetically beautiful storage cabinet, then you have to check out this natural wood cabinet from DAELIFKER. This cabinet exceeded all of my expectations, and it fits in perfectly in my entryway. I wanted something that was beautiful to look at, but also provided me with a little bit of easy access storage. And this cabinet does just that. I'm utilizing this in my entryway, and truly it is such a welcoming piece. The natural beauty of it highlights my plants and other decor perfectly. I was extremely impressed at the storage inside as well. Each cabinet space does have an adjustable storage shelf, but I found it to be right in the middle was the perfect place for it. But wait, there's more. It lights up too. There's an LED light underneath the bottom, and it especially shines so nicely when it's dark in the area. I love to just turn it on, adds a little ambience or a little fun to the space too. I loved every little detail of this piece. So from the storage in the inside to the outside beautiful fluted doors to even the black handles down to the strong magnetic closure, this was beautifully made. I had a little help putting it together, and with the two of us, it didn't take too much time at all. I was really impressed at the solidness of this and just how sturdy it was too. If you're looking for something that is gorgeous, natural, and will really just elevate your space, you have to check out this beautiful natural storage cabinet from DAELIFKER. You will not be disappointed. And that's just my point of view.